So getting ready for Christmas. Oh my goodness, like what have I done to myself? Oh. So making my hair right now for Christmas. So let's see how it's going to turn out today. Look at the hair, looking so gorgeous ready. I love it. We're ready for Christmas. So I'm off now. I just want to get to the market or store to just get a few items for Christmas cooking. I don't want to really do that rush hour shopping. So this is a week to Christmas. So right now I'm going to the market. So I'm going to try and see if I can make any video. So really I'm not really a vlog person, but I'm going to try and see if I can tag you along as we go. So I just got this sunscreen. It's spray sunscreen. I didn't even know how it's working, so I thought it's just going to be like a liquid form, and I was just going around with it. And here's my face. So it's no, oh my god, what is going on here? Oh my goodness, what have I done to myself? Oh goodness. Oh god, I look like a masquerade right now. This is the most see. I don't know. I have no idea how I'm going to get this off my face. Jesus Lord. Let me just look for something to do right now. My face has changed all of a sudden. This is not it at all. This is not how. So I have just cleaned my face now. I don't like the way my face is looking though. It's looking it's so dark. Oh my god, what is that? I just didn't check the. Oh my god, so let's just see what we can do. So I'm going back to the market now, so catch you later. I just finished right now. I'm super tired, very tired. You can see from my face, it's not looking so stressed because I am stressed. So I'm still stopping at another place. I'm not even done here. It's I need to get some other few things. So I know I'll be posting this video late compared to the time I'm supposed to post it, but anyway, Sham, thank you so much for sticking around. So let's tag you along and let's head on to the place we are going to. It's not going to, it's just maybe just 2 more stops and I'll be done. I'm back from the market, super tired, so exhausted. So these are some of the things I got. So the remaining are still in the car. I want to use them for other purpose, so I do not bring them in. Some of them are just on the floor, tired, can't deal with them right now, so let me just leave it. So I just had bought some plantains, some tomato. This is tomato, pepper, red bell pepper. I have here some pineapple. I already removed the peel because I don't want to deal with that. So this is 2 pineapple. I have here some cabbage, cranberry juice. I have here some oranges, some watermelon, grape, tangerine, banana. This is goat's meat. So I'm going to drop in goat's meat pepper soup. So we're making pepper soup with this goat meat. So please turn on your post notifications so I can get notified when I drop that video. I have here some chicken. I want to make jollof rice. So I already have that on my page. So go and watch my delicious Papsi style jollof rice. I have here some chicken breast, So I'm going to make a sauce and I brought that sauce, so go and watch it. So I have here some hot dog or sausage. I don't know what to do with that yet, but let me just have it. I have here some bell peppers. I have here some apple. This is just some, we have tomato paste. We have, what do you call it, kidney beans, sweet corn, and some mayonnaise, and I think basically that's it. I'm so tired, guys. Very, very, very super tired. Oh my god. So bye. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.